Hello everyone, let us learn about the 8051 microcontroller. We will have a small introduction to what a microcontroller is. Let us see the history of 8051 microcontroller and then let us learn about 8051 microcontroller architecture. A microcontroller is a single integrated circuit which is used for executing user programs which is actually written for some controlling application. We can treat it to be a particular type of processor which is optimized to perform control functions at a lower cost and a smaller size. Typically, a microcontroller includes the following. It has a central processing unit. It has two different memories, that is the random access memory and read-only memory, input-output ports which could be serial as well as parallel, timers and interrupt controllers. Figure shows the block diagram of a typical microcontroller, which is a true computer or a chip. The design incorporates all of the features found in a microprocessor's CPU, that is, the ALU, the program counter, stack pointer, and registers. It also has added the other features needed to make a complete computer, that is, the internal ROM, RAM, parallel I/O, serial I/O, counters, and a clock circuit. Like the microprocessor, a microcontroller is a general purpose device, but one that is meant to read data, perform limited calculations on that data, and control its environment based on those calculations. The prime use of a microcontroller is to control the operation of a machine using a fixed program that is stored in ROM and that does not change over the lifetime of the system. Now that we have a basic idea about what a microcontroller is, and assuming that you know what a microprocessor is, pause the video for few seconds and try to list out the differences between a microprocessor and a microcontroller. Here are the differences between a microprocessor and a microcontroller. You have listed down your answers. Verify your answers with the points listed out in the slide. Now let us see where exactly the microcontrollers are used. What are the applications? They are used in home automation devices like air conditioners, security monitoring systems, consumer electronics like your mobile phones, DVD players, television sets, microwave ovens, washing machines, different computer peripherals, handheld calculators, PDAs, in avionics, medical equipments, industrial automation, digital music instruments, and so on. Now let us look into the history of 8051. It is an 8-bit microcontroller which was designed by Intel in 1980. It is an 8-bit microcontroller which can work on 8 bits alone. If the data size is more than 8 bits, then the data has to be split into 8 bits and then it is processed. It became popular after Intel permitted other manufacturers to make and promote other variants of 8051 microcontroller. The original member of 8051 family is referred as MCS51. There are other two variants of 8051 microcontroller, namely 8052 and 8031. Here is a table which lists out the different 8051 family, that is 8051, 8031 and 8052, the different features present in each of the microcontroller. Apart from Intel, you have Atmel, Dallas, Philips and Siemens also producing 8051 microcontrollers with different advanced features present in them. So in this video, you have learned about the history of 8051 and a small introduction was given to 8051. Next video, we will be learning about the architecture of 8051. Thank you.